Hello everyone. In the last class we have seen that how to calculate the slope when the line is passing through the points, 2 points or a angle is given. Now in this class we will see how to find out the equation of a line by using point slope form. Okay. So whenever the line passing through some points and that points we know and we have to find out the equation of a line. So we have the point slope form which is given by y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, where this m is nothing but our slope. To calculate the slope, we have the formula which is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Look at one example. Find the equation of a line passing through the point 2, 3 and 5, 1. So the question is what? We have to find out equation of a line. And the line is passing through 2 points. So that points are given 2, 3 and 5, 1. So let's consider this first point is x1 and y1. Second point is x2 and y2. So the first step is we have to calculate the slope. Okay. So we'll use our first step. We'll apply the formula of slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So substitute the value. Y2 is 1 minus y1 is 3 here. So 1 minus 3 divided by x2 minus x1. So x2 is 5, x1 is 2. So it becomes 5 minus 2. So 1 minus 3 which is minus 2 divided by 5 minus 2 which is 3. So our value of slope is nothing but m is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay. Now we'll apply the formula of point slope form which is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So let's substitute the values of x1, y1 and m. So y minus y1, so our y1 value is what? 3 is equal to m. So slope is here given minus 2 by 3 divided by x minus x1. So x1 value is our 2. Okay. So now if you take this 3 in the cross multiplication here, we will get 3 times y minus 3 is equal to minus 2 times x minus 2. So the next step is we have to multiply this 3 inside the bracket. So 3 into y, 3y minus 3 multiplied by 3 which is 9 is equal to minus 2 into x which is minus 2x and minus 2 into minus 2. So minus minus getting plus and 2 into 2 which is 4. Okay. So if we take both the term to the left hand side, we will get 3y minus 9 plus 2x. This plus 4 become minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So we can rearrange the term 2x plus 3y and minus 9 minus 4 which is nothing but minus 13 is equal to 0. So this is our required equation of a line which is passing through these 2 points. Look at one more example. So the question is find the equation of a line passing through the point 7, minus 1 and 4, 3. Okay. So again line is passing through 2 points are given. We have to find out equation of a line. So our formula is same. We have to formula is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Okay. So to find out equation of line, we required 3 things: the value of x1, the value of m and the value of y1. Okay. So let us consider this first point is x1 and y1. Second point is x2 and y2. Okay. So x1, y1 is done. That is we have. Only thing is we have to find out slope, the value of m. So we'll use our formula to find out the slope when 2 points are given. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is 3, y1 is minus 1. So 3 minus of minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1. So x2 is 4 minus x1 is 7. So 3 minus minus getting plus 1 divided by 4 minus 7 which is minus 3. So 3 plus 1, which is 4 upon minus 3. So the value of our slope is 4 by minus 3. So now we will substitute the values of x1, y1 and our slope value, which is 4 by minus 3, in our point slope form. So y minus y1. So the value of y1 is here minus 1. So inside the bracket we will write minus 1 is equal to slope is 4 by minus 3. Now this 4 by minus 3 we can write down as minus 4 by 3. Okay. Minus sign you can write down in the numerator, denominator, or in the middle. It will be the same thing. Bracket x minus x1. So the value of x1 is here 7. So we will put here 7. Now if we take this 3 in the cross multiplication here, so 3 inside the bracket y, and here this minus and minus which get plus 1 is equal to minus 4 times x minus 7. So if we multiply this 3 inside, so 3 into y, 3y, plus 3 into 1, which is 3, is equal to minus 4 into x, which is minus 4x, then minus 4 into minus 7. So minus minus getting plus first, then 4 into 7, which is 28. Okay. So if we take this both the term to the left hand side, we will get 3y plus 3 plus 4x minus 28 is equal to 0. So if we rearrange the terms, we will get 4x plus 3y, okay, then 3 minus 28, which is minus 25, is equal to 0. So this is our required equation of a straight line which is passing through the given 2 points. Look at one more example. The question is, find the equation of a line having a slope as 1 by 3. Okay, so slope is given directly and passing through the point 5 comma minus 2. So one line is there which is passing through the point, let's say 5 comma minus 2, and the slope of the line which is given to be 1 by 3. Okay, so slope is given, that means the value of m is given. So m is equal to 1 upon 3, and line is passing through this point, so this point we will consider as x1 and y1. Okay, so we can directly apply the formula y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So y minus y1, so the value of y1 is minus 2. So inside the bracket minus 2 is equal to slope, which is 1 upon 3, into x minus x1. So x1 is here 5. So if we take this 3 in the cross multiplication, we will get 3 inside the bracket y, here minus minus getting plus 2, is equal to 1 times x minus 5. So let's multiply this 3 inside. So 3 into y, which is 3y, plus 3 into 2, which is 6, is equal to 1 into x, which is 1x, that will be same as x, minus 1 multiplied by 5, which is 5. So if we take this both the term to the left hand side, we will get 3y plus 6 minus x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so if we rearrange the term, we will get minus x plus 3y and 6 plus 5, which is 11, plus 11 is equal to 0. So this is our required equation of a straight line. So this is all about point slope form. Practice this question and comment your answer below in the comment section. Thank you.